ว่าเราขึ้นเขาไม่ได้ต้องให้เขาลงมาก็วันนี้รถตู้มารับ9 คนแล้วก็เดี๋ยวจะไปตลาดพาไปตลาดสดแล้วก็ไปทำคุกกิ้งคลาสนะคะตอนนี้เป็นเวลา9 โมงแล้วนัดเขา9 โมงแต่ทีนี้เราขึ้นเขาไม่ได้เดี๋ยวเราต้องรอเขาข้างล่างนะคะตอนนี้เราอยู่ที่ตลาดแล้วนะคะพาสาวๆมาอยู่ตรงนู้นเห็นไหมสาวๆกำลังเดินมาเราพามาที่ตลาดนะคะ You can see some of them is not open yet because they're waiting for the fisherman come back. You can see this is the place where the fishermen they come back and they go in the night time and they come back in the morning around 10 or maybe afternoon. It depends on when they gone in the night time. This one is like this fish. They start to dry in the morning, maybe 8 o'clock in the morning, and we call like you can dry this 1 sun or 2 sun. 1 sun is since in the morning 8 a.m. in the morning until maybe 12, and after that they keep it. สาวๆนะคะอันนี้ lobster สีสวยจัง you can see like small fish sometimes is they just catch with the net in the night time and they bring it back but sometimes you can see the small stingray also they didn't mean that they want to catch them but it's but mistake with the net. Wow, nice.
Thank you. You have to put your arms through the other one.
You not cook often.
Oh no, she's the only one that cooks often.
Oh really?
She's the best one.
Oh really?
Very sweet.
This one is very sour. You want to taste?
Oh, like this? Huh?
แม่ต้องเปลี่ยนช้อน Yeah.
Yeah.
Sour.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's like we use about tamarind liquid a lot for many dish. If you see many dish in Thai like on the menus, sometimes we have more because we have a food from south, from north, from the middle, from north, from east, and we have a lot of food and different dish.
Tamarind in a lot of things.
A lot of. And this we use the cane sugar, but we use like a powder. We want the taste is nice because it's like a peel, and we put a lot of sugar. But you can see we put a lot of fish sauce also.
So it balances.
Yes. She just calculate by hand because she know as well. Yes. Yeah. Inside here. Yeah. This is the cream from the coconut milk. What we bought from the market. It will turn to be creamy, and we will use this cream for make the green curry. Okay, this one. But on this one, you can see my mom make about the pad thai sauce or all the ingredients what I told you. But we will add a little bit more after it's melt and it start to boiling. We will put a little bit for not a little bit. It's a lot, and we put a lot of oyster sauce and fish sauce more.
So the chili stuff, that was just chili with water?
Yes, chili with water, but we take the seed out. We just use the skin and we boiling until change color. The color of the water maybe is brown. Yeah. And now we put the oyster sauce, but you can see the oyster sauce we have two type, like we can use from the oyster sauce from black mushroom or the oyster sauce from oyster. This one we use the oyster from black mushroom because like some people like vegetarians or maybe vegan, you can use this also. And we put together on the pot and we will stirring, make it melt. The next one we put the fish sauce.
And does still use it for pad thai?
Yeah, for pad, actually you can use for pad thai and you can use for like a dip meatball. Yeah, dip meatball
like
also.
Spring rolls? Can you dip the spring rolls?
Yes, actually you can, but like the taste for this one, I suggest you to make a spring roll without meat.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because it's sometimes you use this one for dip with like meatball is from beef, right? But when you dip with something like spring roll, inside we have a vegetables. We have about a glass noodle, and you can put but spring roll just only put with shrimp and dip with this is very good. But if not shrimp, I suggest you to just only vegetables.
Okay.
Now we make a green curry chili paste.
Yummy.
Yeah. You see, like when you sit, and after that you have to stand and yeah.
I can sit.
Yeah.
Do we need smaller or
We're gonna.
It's okay. Like we're gonna smash in here, and just like for easy for smash, it's okay. Like that, it's okay. Okay. So girls make pad thai. Oh, everyone, nice skin. I like your skin.
Thank you.
Yes, now you can put these two things.
Okay, now I can.
Now you can, yes, now you can. It's because it starts to change color a little bit.
Yeah,
yes, you too. Yeah, the onion also. Have to be careful, it will be burned. Onion and the, onion and the shallot. This one is shallot, this is chive.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
The red one, yes, and the pickle. Okay. Yeah, it has to like tick 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 like this one. Yeah. Who is the best for make chili paste this time? We will see.
Stuff flying out for you. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Woo. You know, Thai people, we will for long times ago we say, if you use the mortar for make a chili paste, you have to be angry. You have to angry husband, and after that you go to the kitchen. Are you happy? you will happy when you eat them because you cook it. It's like a teacher asking what you made, and I made pad thai.
A proud mother.
Nadia, we got a winner.
Oh, you love a chili.
Yeah.
Oh, this chili flake we make it. Yeah, you can eat now. You can eat now.
Okay, let's eat. Bye, guys.
What are you cooking now?
We're making some coconut cream with some green chili paste.
Yes.
We're cooking it on the
Let me see. Wow.
It smells delicious.
Yeah. Smells delicious. We fry this. Nice.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Curry.
It's the base because you cook it.
Yeah.
Do you ever put lychee?
Sorry?
Lychee?
Lychee.
tried it.
There's a fruit,
Yeah, but I've had it in curries, green curries.
Really?
Yeah. Nadia, right? In Maldives, they have the green curry with lychee.
Yeah, but that's his idea.
Oh.
That is not
I've had it in Dubai also, but maybe there's a fusion.
maybe they fusion, maybe fusion food. Okay. This. Mom say it's okay, it's not good. No.
You should take control. No. This is not good.
ไม่แล้วให้เขาทำ Okay, give her to do this.
Okay.
What you guys make now?
We are making some spring rolls.
Yeah.
We're sauteing our vegetables and our tofu.
Yeah. Let me see.
Look, Harry's fine.
Wow. We put the curry powder. Yeah. Sometimes in the restaurants they didn't put this one, but it's like they sometimes spring roll they just think you just roll with fried vegetables.
Yeah.
They didn't care about the taste so much.
Yeah, the flavor.
Yeah, we put black pepper.
You're gonna give us the measurements, right? When you send us the recipes, you're gonna give us measurements?
Yeah.
All?
Oh. What do we have inside?
So we've got some carrots inside, some celery, some mushrooms, black mushrooms, and some cabbage,
Yes.
and tofu.
Tofu. Yeah. And what we put in here for
And then we've added, once we sauteed the vegetables and tofu, we added some oyster sauce,
yes,
some soy sauce,
yes,
a little bit of sugar,
yes,
and a lot of love,
a lot of love. Yeah.
sesame oil,
Yeah.
and a lot of love.
Yeah.
Sorry, someone said that.
Put the rice to the.
And now we're putting noodles.
Yeah. Okay. We put the noodle for the glass noodle, the last one, because we don't want it like too soft. Yeah, overcooked. What are you guys doing now? What? She like a machine. Yeah, she is good. Yeah, she is good too. Yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have to roll very tight. Make it tight. Yeah. Don't so serious. You look so serious. It's like if you go to fry, it will not break. If you make it tight, but if you not make it tight, maybe it's break. Okay, when you fried. Okay.
Show me your ways, Nadia. Show me your ways.
Show me your ways. How is so fast? That's a good. Yeah. What you making?
Make it sound smooth.
Yeah.
So nice.
Have to make like a very tight, like this one.
Wow, that's so good.
Oh wow, that's real good. Oh, that's
Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry.
Thank you. Let's go. Let's go, Nadia.
This is spring rolls. We make spring rolls, and this is inside the spring rolls.
Yes.
How the taste of this? It's fried
Delicious.
before. Delicious because you made it.
sauce that we use to dip?
Sorry?
Is there like
Yeah. We dip some sauce, like a chili sauce, but it's a chili like sweet chili sauce.
yummy?
Sham, you don't be so serious.
I get so serious when I cook. You know she's getting married?
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow.
We're here.
Oh, because of this. Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Who is spring roll? Okay, it's look better.
Yeah.
Wow. You have experience. Everything have to have experience. Yeah.
Ta-da!
Ah, show me. Yeah, you will make spring roll when you get married.
Yes. My fiance loves.
together.
Yeah, my fiance loves Thai food.
Oh, really?
Loves it.
Are your hands clean? Can you?
Okay, after we roll the spring rolls, and now we fried it. Wow, it's big spring rolls.
Oh, different shapes and sizes.
Yeah.
How long do we fry it for until it becomes
Until
like
it
golden?
become like change color, like a little bit golden. Wow, oh, great. Good job. Yeah.
Oh.
Look at you. It's nice.